Hi friends, good morning all of you. This is Sarah. Today we will start class 4 science. Okay, first chapter plants the produces. Okay, so before going to chapter, we have no science textbook with one Galaxy. Okay, so hope you know that we are using new textbook, and the first chapter is plants. First chapter is plants the produces. Okay, so in this chapter you will learn about how plants are producing food. The plants are the producers of food. Then second one, the parts of leaf. I'll show some leaves and I'll explain that what are the parts of the leaves. The next one, photosynthesis, the process which is happening in a plant leaf. Okay, so the food making process that I'll explain that one is photosynthesis. The next one, food storage in plants. Okay, the next topic in this chapter is food storage in plants. Then last one is interdependence between plants and animals. The mutual understanding between plants and animals. Okay, so these are the main topics that we are going to study in the first chapter. The name is plants, the producers. Okay, so without the plants we cannot live in this world. Okay, we need oxygen, we need food. All the things are given by plant system. So plants are the main thing that human beings are alive. Without plants we cannot live in this world. Okay, so the first chapter we will start with the first topic, plants as the producers of food. I think all of you have textbook. Please take textbook and keep it with you, and that is good for better learning. If you have textbook while watching this video, if you have textbook, whenever you get doubt also, you just keep your textbook with you. If you have not, pause it from there. Once again check the textbook. At least all of you try to read the chapter 2 or 3 times. Okay, reading gives better knowledge. Okay, try to read the chapters 2 or 3 times. Then keep a dictionary also with keep a pocket dictionary, a small dictionary that also keep with you. That is that will help you to understand the difficult words also. Even though some difficult words are given in the textbook, but that difficult words meaning also they provided. That is, I appreciate the publishers that they are providing that also. I am so happy for that. A new textbook will start to the first topic, plants the producer. Food is essential for us to live. हम लोगों को खाना चाहिए जिंदा रहने के लिए. We need that. Food, without food we cannot live. Plants also need food for them to live also. Okay, without food plants also cannot live. Okay, so plants need to produce food. Okay, so where have you got this down? How plants are making food and where plants are getting its food. Okay, so that thing also explained in this chapter. Okay, green plants make their own food. At least all of you see the plants are having the green color. Okay, have you ever think that why plants are having green color? Okay, that is because the presence of a green pigment there. The name of that green pigment is called chlorophyll. Okay, so in the leaves are green colored substance is due to the presence of that natural green substance that is called chlorophyll. With the help of that they are maintaining that green color. Okay, so chlorophyll helps plants to make food also. With the presence of sunlight and with the this one chlorophyll, water, all these things plants needed. With the help of all these things plants are producing food for them. That also you study in detail. We have that process itself, photosynthesis. You will study later in this chapter itself. I think half of the chapter I can complete. I will complete it in this video. Then we will get a second part of the same chapter itself after 2 or 3 days. Then likewise we will continue the online classes. Okay, so that is about plants, the producers. They have that green pigment in plants that is called chlorophyll. Leaves are the kitchen of the plant. That is basically we say that the leaves are the kitchen of the plant. मतलब हम लोग का घर में खाना जो बनाता है किचन में, ठीक है. So in plants they are making food. Okay, plants का kitchen होता है leaves में, ठीक है. So that is also another important thing. Okay, so I think now you understood that why plants are called producers, because they produce, they are giving food for human beings, animals, and same way all of us. Okay, so that is a important thing. That is why plants are called the producers. Okay, without a plant we cannot live. Plants provide us food, plants provide us this one oxygen also. Okay, so we are depending plants also. Okay, so plants are the producers of food in this world. Okay, so that is the first small introduction which is given in your textbook. Now moving to the second topic, next one is the parts of leaf. Okay, I think in your house there are different types of plants are there, different types of trees are there, so many are there. Have you ever noticed that the leaves are one compared to one plant to another plant or one tree to another tree, that leaves will be different. Okay, I have some leaves here. I will show that this is a leaf which we have in our school, that is Angur ka leaf, grapes. Okay, that is a grapes leaf it is. Then I got some few more leaves. When I come to this one school, on the way I brought this one. Just I want to show that अलग-अलग plant में अलग-अलग leaf रहता है. You can see the size and shape of the leaves are different. This one अंगूर का एक leaf देखिए इतना बड़ा है, ठीक है. And you can I'll explain the parts of the leaf also. This one is one type of leaf. You look at the size and look at the shape of the leaf. This is different. Okay, this is katra plant. On the way I brought this one. I'll just show this to see the to understand that leaves of different plants are different. Okay, अलग-अलग plant में अलग-अलग leaf रहता है. This one also. These are small leaves and even one small flowers also there. Small leaves. Look at the structure of the leaf also. This is also different shape and different size also different. Again, one more this one. This is a small plant. I don't know the name of this one. तो हम बोला ना रास्ता में मिला आपको दिखाने के लिए लेके आया. This one is another leaf. It is small in size and look at the structure of the leaf. That is a little bit long leaf. It is small one and a little bit long also. Okay. This one is another type of leaf. I don't know what this is. On the way I brought this one also. This also you can see. So अलग-अलग plant में leaf का size और leaf का shape it will be changed. Okay. So that is another important. If leaves different shape में रहता है, different size में रहता है, तो there is some things are common there. Okay. So I will show the parts of a leaf with the help of this grape leaf. Okay. You just look at here. Also in your textbook also there is a simple picture is given there. The structure of a leaf. I will just draw here also. Okay, so this is a small picture of leaf you can see. Okay, same like this. It is having a longer part, that is this one, and we have a broad flat portion is there. That is this green one. That is this one, and there are some lines you can see in the leaf. If you want to see it clearly, you take a leaf and feet up back side you see. You can see clearly the veins and all these things, the middle, that all things you can see. And again there is an end portion. Okay, so these are the parts of it. I'm just right here. Okay, this is a leaf stalk. Okay, this is a leaf stalk. This one leaf stalk बोलता है इसको, because with the help of this stalk, this leaf is attached to the parental plant, the mother plant. Okay, so leaf stalk is there, which helps to attach to the stem of that plant. Okay, so first part of leaf is a leaf stalk. Okay, second one, there will be a end portion of the leaf, the edge of a leaf, this side portion, this edge portion, so the side portion of a leaf, the edge portion, the ending portion of a leaf, that is called a leaf apex. This portion. Okay. Leaf apex. So first one, leaf stalk, which attached to the stem. Then this one, leaf apex, the end portion of the leaf. This one is leaf, the end of the leaf. That is the leaf apex. Okay. Then third one is you take a leaf and uska ulta pakdiye, you can easily see the veins clearly. You can touch it and you can feel it. Okay, keep like this also, you can see that clearly. There are some main veins are going on there. This main vein, that is called main vein, is there. This one. Main vein is there, that is called the midrib. Main vein, that is called the midrib. Okay, इसका बीच में there will be बड़ा बड़ा vein देख सकते हैं, lines देख सकते हैं, that is called the midrib. And छोटा छोटा भी रहता है, small small veins also there, that are called the small ribs or side veins. Small, this one, small veins. Okay. You can see, you take a leaf and you can clearly see all these things, like this one, midrib and that small veins also. You can see side veins also, you can see in that one. Okay, so these are the main parts of, and there is a flat, broad portion is there. This ये आगे वाला ये green color में जो देख सकते हैं broad part, that is called the lamina. Okay. So these are the main parts of a leaf. First one, leaf stalk, which helps to attach to the stem of the plant. That is a leaf stalk. Then there is an end portion. Okay, that is a leaf apex. ऐसे पढ़ेंगे उसको attach करने के लिए the leaf stalk is there. The leaf end portion को leaf apex बोलता है. ठीक है. This is a leaf apex. Then again, the next one is a midrib. उसका बीच में जो बड़ा बड़ा lines चलता है, that is called the vein of the leaf. We call it as a midrib of the leaf. Okay. Then next one is then small veins also you can see, that are called the side veins. Small side veins are there. Then last one is the lamina, the broad part of that leaf. This one, that is called the lamina. Okay. So these are the main parts of a leaf. I think all of you may understood this one. You take, when you study the parts of leaf, you take a बड़ा leaf आपका बगल में रखिए, and you just observe that also. Okay, after watching this video or while watching this video also, keep a leaf with you and just check it that. Okay, midrib क्या है, okay, leaf edge क्या है, this one leaf apex क्या है, stalk क्या है. Okay, you can easily understand with the help of a leaf. You just, when you study this one, take a leaf and keep it with you. Okay, so that will be easy for your better study. Okay, so that is the main part of parts of a leaf. I think all of you may understood this one. Next one, going to the next page number 2. While looking at the leaf, okay, you just, if you have a small lens or something like that, you just take the leaf and the downside portion, keep it up, downside portion, and keep a small lens. If you have a lens, you just look at the backside portion of the leaf. You can see small holes are there. Okay, छोटा holes रहता है. So that is called a stomata. Okay, there's tiny holes present under the leaf. That is called a stomata. Stomata allows the passage of air. ठीक है, जो हवा जो चलता है, plants need air. Okay, so with the help of stomata, this oxygen is going out, that carbon dioxide coming out, taking inside carbon dioxide, giving out, releasing oxygen, the air passage. It allows, the stomata allows plants the passage of air. That also one more important thing, that is very important thing about the leaf. Okay, so below the leaf there are small holes are present, that is called the stomata, which allows the passage of air. Okay, taking out the carbon dioxide, releasing of oxygen, and taking place with the help of this stomata itself. Okay, so that also one more important thing about the leaf, parts of the leaf. Okay, so that is about the parts of leaf. Now moving to the next topic, the preparation of food in plants. Plants में कैसे plant खाना बनाता है. Okay, so next topic, preparation of food in plant. I'll just explain that. don't look at the textbook now. After my explanation, you just read the textbook. That would be nice. Okay, how the food is prepared in the a plant. Okay, first one we know that a plant is having different parts like the roots, the stem, and the leaf, and flowers, etc. are there. So basically, plants stands in the soil with the help of roots, and from the roots it gets enough amount of water and minerals. Okay, so first the preparation of food is going on happens in the plant in leaves. Okay, so first plant needs some things. अपना घर में मम्मी को जो खाना बनाने के लिए कुछ चीज चाहिए ना, like if she want to prepare roti sabji, she needs atta and the vegetables also. So the things she gets, then only she will make food. Same like in the case of food preparation in plant also. Okay, so when the plants get enough amount of all these things with the help of that roots and with the help of leaves. So whenever all these things get by the plant will make prepare food. How that food is made in the plant, that also we will discuss in this topic, under this topic, preparation of food in plants. Okay, so the first thing, the root takes minerals and water from the soil. जो plant मिट्टी में जो रहता है वहाँ से the plant needs minerals and water that it will take from with the help of that roots. It takes the minerals and water from the soil and it gives to the leaves with the help of this stem. So first thing is the stem helps the plant to get the stem get the plants to get minerals and water. Okay, then the second thing is the this one water and the minerals should be taken to the leaves. That job is done by the stems. Okay, so the minerals and the water which is taken by the roots, that will be transported from the roots to the leaves with the help of that stems. Okay, that is the job of stem, to take out that this one water and minerals which is taken by the roots. It will be reaches to the plant leaf with the help of that stem. Transportation, that is the job of this one stem. Okay, the next one, after reaching these all things to the leaves, now the leaf will start making the food production. Okay, leaves makes food in the presence of sunlight. Okay, plants are having that green pigment. In the beginning of the chapter I told you that plants make that food in the presence of sunlight, and the plants are having that green pigment, that is chlorophyll. Okay, so that is given in detail in your textbook what happens by making of food when in the presence of sunlight. That process is going on, food preparation. I'll just formula it is given in the textbook, page number 2. There is a formula given. What are the things needed to prepare food for plant, and after that food preparation, what are the things the things which is given out by the plant, that also given in the textbook. Just a formula is there, and just write that one. I think all of you may understood CO2. CO2 is called carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Okay, these things are needed for the plant to prepare food. Okay, so in the presence of sunlight, the plant produces food with the help of chlorophyll. Okay, so now the result will be plant food. Thus हम लोग का oxygen. Then third one, water vapor also will be released. Is also released. Okay, so this is that photosynthesis process. Carbon dioxide plus water plus minerals. These are the things which plant needed to make food. In the presence of sunlight, they will start making food with the help of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, the duty of chlorophyll to get energy, to take energy from the sunlight. Okay, so that is why plants prepare food in the presence of sunlight. The chlorophyll helps that to get the energy from the sunlight. Okay, so after this, the plant food will be produced, oxygen will be released, and water vapor also, a little good amount of water vapor also will be released. Okay. So now at least you may understood something about this one, carbon dioxide and oxygen emission. Means हम लोग को जिंदा रहने के लिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, that you know that. Okay, we need oxygen to live. Okay, so हम लोग release करता है क्या है, carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide released by human beings, taken by the plants to produce their own food, and they will release out the oxygen. Okay, that oxygen we take and we live in the earth. So this is the process which is happening in this earth. Okay, that is why we are dependent on plants. Without plants we cannot live. Okay, so this is that photosynthesis process which is explained in the textbook. I think all of you may understood. If you have doubt, now you can read the textbook. Okay, so that is about that photosynthesis process. Definition, the small definition is given in page number 3. In the presence of sunlight is essential for plants to make food. Okay, that is why this process is which plants make their food is called photosynthesis. That meaning is photo means light. Okay, photo, the word photo means light, and synthesis means putting together. Okay, so in the presence of light, they put all these things together and they make food. So that is the process which is this is the process which is happening during the preparation of food in plants. Okay, so that is about that one. And we have a small activity which is given in your textbook, that is without the sunlight the plant can make food or what. Okay, have you ever get that doubt? Without the sunlight also plants can prepare food. If you have a doubt like that, we have that activity given in page number 3, that clearly shows that without sunlight plants cannot make this one food. Okay, so that activity I'll explain in a show. Words में हम लोग explain करके देंगे. Keep 2 little plants. Okay, any plant you take, keep 2 little plants, and 1 plant you keep in the sunlight and 1 plant you keep in the dark room. Okay, provide all things which plant needed to live. That air passage must be there, and water you should provide. Some minerals that also you put that for the plant. Okay, and 1 plant must be in a dark room. Okay, it should not get sunlight. Okay, and observe the 2 plants regularly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for at least 5 days. In the 5th day, you can see the difference that the plants which are kept inside the dark room will come in a yellow color, pale yellow color, and the plants which you keep in sunlight, that will be the healthy plant. Okay, so without the presence of sunlight, the plant cannot make that food. Okay, to understand that this activity is given, simple activity it is, you can do it your home. Okay, and please do, while doing these things, take the your parents also, take the help from your parents also. They will help you to do the activity. The next one, food storage in plants. After this small topic, I conclude this one. Food storage in plants, that is also important thing, where this plant is stored its extra food. Okay, suppose हम लोग का घर में मम्मी बिरयानी बनाए, ठीक है, so ज़्यादा बनाएगा तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we'll keep it in the fridge, and the next day or in the evening we will use to eat that. Okay, so if food is ज़्यादा है, food ज़्यादा prepare किया तो we will not waste that, we will store it. Okay, so the same thing is happening in the plant also. Okay, if plant produce extra food, they will store in the different places. Okay, plants can store its food in different places, like they can store food in stems, they can store food in roots, they can store food in this one, their roots, etc., etc. So plants will keep their extra, plants will store their extra food in different places. They are given in different in page number 5, they are explained with the help of pictures. Okay, plants which store food in their roots, examples are carrot and this one radish. Okay, so extra food they store in their roots. Okay, the next one, stems. At least you are familiar with these vegetables. Sabji हम लोग लाते हैं ना, so you are already familiar with these type of vegetables. Okay, so the next one, food stored in stems. That sugar cane is a good example. Then lotus stem, potato also. So potato, you know that potato, aloo sabji, सब लोग खाता है. Even I had in the morning itself. So that also one more example about the food storage in the stems. Again one more example, Next in this one, food extra food is stored in leaves. Food can be stored in leaves. Cabbage is a good example. Spinach is example. Coriander, dhania patta, coriander is there. Mint leaf. These are example for the plants which store food in the leaves. The next one, plants store food as in the form of fruits. So many fruits we know that apple, orange, etc., etc. So that also the example for the plants which store food in a different form. Then plants store food in the form of seeds. That is the chana matar. Then next one, so many examples are there: chickpeas, peas, rice, etc., etc. Corn also. They will store extra food as in the form of seeds. Okay. So that is all things about today's class. At least I think I completed the half of the portion. So I think all of you may understood. Today we studied about the food preparation in plants, and main thing you have to keep in your mind, you have to make a small homework is that one, make a small short note of photosynthesis process. Just write by yourself. अपना से एक बार लिख लीजिए. There will be mistake if you write by yourself. There will be mistake. Okay. So first you write it. If there mistake is there, cross check it with your textbook. Okay. Then again second time once again you write. So you will get a little more points. So likewise you make a small short note and study that photosynthesis process. That is your homework for you. So that is all about today. I hope you may understood. Thank you all of you. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.